For my wash day routine, I'm excited to try out the new CurlyEllie Intense collection. So step 1 is the Indulgent Hair Conditioner. Step 2 is the leave-in conditioner and styling cream. And step 3 is the Protection and Radiance Brightening Hair Oil. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I've just sectioned up my hair just to make it easy to apply the conditioner. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount of conditioner and work it through my hair. So I'm just going to make sure that each strand of my hair is thoroughly coated with the conditioner. Conditioner has a good amount of slip. I can already feel how soft my hair is. And then I will work through with my detangling comb just to tease out any tangles in my hair. So my hair feels quite soft at this moment. And then I'll just continue to apply the conditioner through each section, just doing the same method. And then afterwards I will leave the conditioner in my hair for about 10 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. So now I've rinsed out the conditioner from my hair, and now I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner and styling cream. I'm just going to apply a generous amount and work it through my hair in sections again. The leave-in conditioner has a good amount of slip and my hair feels incredibly soft and moisturized. So I'm just going to keep working it through my hair, through its section. And then afterwards I will proceed to step 3. For the final step, I'll be applying the hair oil to my hair to seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner, impart some shine to my hair and control frizz. So I'm just going to apply the hair oil, massage it into the ends of my hair and sort of work it through out the strands of my hair. And then once I'm done, I will be styling my hair off camera and sharing the results with you at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.